Hi, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if your Amazon Echo Dot is playing up, if it's not functioning properly. First thing to do is, right now it's powered up, is just to take out the power cord at the back, leave it for a good 10 seconds and then plug it back in. So I'm just going to leave it for another 6 or 7 seconds and then I'm going to plug it back in. Let it do its thing. There we go, so it's gone through its little setup. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 6:57 p.m.
And you can see it's now working. If yours still isn't working, you can reset it. The last option is to factory reset it, and I'll do a separate video on that. So if that still doesn't fix it, try resetting it. Now, to reset it, we have to have it plugged in, power on, and we have a little action button here. We need to hold that down for about 5 or 6 seconds until the orange light comes on and it tells us it's resetting. When you do this, you will need to set it up again on your phone, but it will still recognize the settings you had on it. For example, if you've got the Amazon Kids disabled, it will recognize that, but it's reset the device, but not factory reset. So holding it down now, you will see in a few seconds it will come up with orange here.
Now in setup mode. Please follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, so I've let go now. You don't want to keep hold of that because you'll end up factory resetting it. Now it's in setup mode. We need to go into the Amazon Alexa app and we're going to go to the plus symbol up here. And we want to go to device. We're going to go to Amazon Echo, Echo Dot. It's got the orange light, yes. It's found it. And now it's going to search for Wi-Fi. These settings should already be on the app, so it should be a nice quick process. There you go, you can hear it's ready. We've still got a few things to do on the app, just like languages and stuff. There we go, so we've gone through the app part again, and you can see now this is working. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:01 p.m.
So if you're having problems, first of all, just try unplugging the back here and putting it back in. That might well fix it. If that doesn't fix it, try resetting it like you've seen in this video and hopefully that will fix it. If that still doesn't fix it, you might want to try factory resetting it. Remember, none of these things are going to work if, for example, your power cable's gone or if there's an internal fault on here. But if there's some weird glitch which is stopping it from working, then hopefully unplugging it or resetting it or factory resetting it is going to fix it. If it hasn't and you've done something else to fix it, put it down in the comment section down below and you'll help other people out watching this video. Thanks for watching.